Now, in my previous session, not even previous session, let's go to our old content. This was an instance we used, JFrog, and this is a Sonar Cube. If I take this instance backup, is called image creation. Entire instance will be backed up. If somebody says, can you take the instance backup? You need to create an image. Once you create image, it will be here. So what all it is taking a backup, including storage it is taking, including volume it is taking backup. If somebody says only take the volume backup, go to that instance, open the volume, go to the volume, select the volume, and create snapshot. Instance backup means AMI. Volume backup means snapshot. This you can automate using Lifecycle Manager. You create a snapshot. It takes 5 to 10 minutes based on the size of it. It will create a snapshot. Once a snapshot is available, from the snapshot, you create a volume. That volume can be attached to the EC2 instance. When you're launching EC2 instance, you can attach that volume. So you don't need to install some RPP again from scratch. So that's why it works. Security group, you're aware of it. EIP, the moment you launch a EC2 instance, it will get an elastic IP. IPs will be mapped to the network interface NIC cards. For the NIC card, a IP will be assigned. The moment you start some instance, you'll get a public IP. And a EC2 instance is needed a secure way of logging in using key pairs. These are placement groups, nothing but you can create a group. Inside the group, you can map all your resources like EC2, S3, RDS, then load balancer, then your VPC, all you can group inside one placement group. Then we have load balancers. Here we have load balancers. Here we have target groups. Inside the load balancer, target group will be there. Inside the target group, targets will be there. What will be the targets? Instances will be there. If you want to apply auto scaling, then you need auto scaling. Auto scaling is needed what? Launch configuration. So let us do this exercise now. We are going to go with EC2. You are aware of how to launch EC2 instance. You know how to install a web server. Let's take a diagram as well, parallelly. This is one of the useful diagram. I'm going to show you as one-tier architecture. If we can understand one-tier architecture, two-tier, three-tier is easy. As per this diagram, what we have here is in AWS, there is a region. In that region, there is a network. In that network, there are subnets, public and private subnets are mapped with the two physical data centers, two different physical data centers. You see, blue color one is different, and this red color, the physical data centers are different. And what you have here, you have internet gateway who supply internet to the VPC through route table. You have private route table. What is the purpose of private route table? Who will supply internet to the private subnets with the help of NAT gateway device. NAT gateway device. So in public subnets, you're not supposed to host your website. Where you should host your website? In private subnets. As of now, I will go with existing VPC. Once you understand this, we will create custom VPC.